Have you ever walked into a motorhome and immediately felt like you stepped into a luxury hotel suite instead of a vehicle? Today, that is exactly what you are about to experience. I am standing in front of the brand new 2027 Newmar London Aire 4569, and I want to be honest with you right from the start. There is one special detail inside this coach that almost every person misses on their first walkthrough. It is not the big television. It is not the fancy kitchen. It is something quieter, something deeper, and once you notice it, you will understand why Newmar calls this model the ultimate driving experience. Stay with me until the end of this video. I am going to show you every inch of this motorhome, outside and inside, and then I will reveal that one thing. Let's begin on the outside. The first thing that hits you is the presence of this coach. The 2027 London Aire 4569 is a full-size diesel pusher that sits tall and proud. It wears a rich two-tone paint job in deep gray and silver, finished with sharp white graphics that sweep along the sides. The paint is full body, meaning every surface is covered in high-quality automotive paint that catches the light and looks expensive from every angle. At the front, you see the bold Newmar grille with a red accent line running across it. Above the windshield, the words London Aire are clearly displayed, and just above that you can read the tagline, "The Ultimate Driving Experience." Large dual-side mirrors with built-in cameras give the driver excellent visibility. The windshield itself is massive, almost bus-like, giving a wide and clear view of the road ahead. Walk around to the side and you notice the long, clean lines of the body. This model rides on a Spartan chassis with a tag axle at the rear. That third axle helps with stability, weight distribution, and a smoother ride on the highway. The windows are large and darkly tinted for privacy and heat control. You will also notice the big storage bays that run along the lower sides. Deep, lighted compartments that can hold chairs, hoses, tools, and all the gear you need for long trips. This exterior does not just look good. It tells you that this is a serious luxury coach built for people who want both style and strength. Now let's open the door and step inside the driver's cockpit. The moment you sit down, the difference becomes clear. You are in a pair of large, soft leather captain's chairs. These seats are power adjustable, heated, and designed to keep you comfortable for hours on the road. The steering wheel is thick and premium, with buttons that let you control the radio, phone, cruise control, and other systems without looking away from the road. In front of you is a modern digital dashboard with two large bright screens. One screen shows your speed, engine information, and fuel levels. The other handles navigation, camera views, and entertainment. You get a full 360-degree camera system, so backing up or changing lanes feels safe and easy. The lounge is open, bright, and inviting. You immediately notice the beautiful light-colored leather seating. There is a long theater-style sofa with individual recliners and built-in cup holders. Across from it, more comfortable seating creates a conversation area that feels like a high-end living room. The cushions are soft but supportive, and the fabric accents add a touch of elegance without looking flashy. Above the seating, you see clean white overhead cabinets with soft close doors. LED lighting runs along the ceiling and under the cabinets, giving the whole space a warm, modern glow. A large television is positioned for perfect viewing from every seat. Whether you're watching a movie on a rainy day or just relaxing after a long drive, this lounge makes you want to stay put. The flooring is a beautiful light tile that looks residential and is easy to clean. Everything feels solid under your feet. No hollow sounds, no cheap materials. That solid feel is something you will notice throughout the entire coach. Now let's move into the kitchen, because this kitchen is built for real cooking. On one side, you have a large residential-style stainless steel refrigerator. It has a French door design with a bottom freezer and a water and ice dispenser right on the front. This is the kind of fridge you would find in a nice home, not a typical RV. Next to it is a smooth black induction cooktop set into the solid surface countertop. Induction cooking is fast, safe, and easy to clean. Above it sits a convection microwave that can bake, roast, and reheat. The cabinets are finished in a soft gray and white combination, with elegant black hardware. All the doors and drawers close softly and quietly. There is a kitchen island that adds extra counter space and storage. Under cabinet lighting makes the whole area bright when you are preparing meals. A stylish dark backsplash runs behind the counters, giving the kitchen a modern and clean look. This is a space where you can cook full dinners, not just heat up leftovers. Right across from the kitchen is the dining area. It features a comfortable U-shaped booth with soft patterned cushions and a solid table that can be adjusted. 4 people can sit here easily for breakfast, lunch, or evening games. A round wall clock and soft lighting make the corner feel warm and welcoming. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, so the whole area never feels closed in. As we continue toward the back of the coach, the space becomes more private. We enter the master bedroom. This is a true suite. A large king-size bed sits in the center with a padded headboard and soft, high-quality bedding. On both sides of the bed, you will find nightstands with drawers and reading lights above. Overhead cabinets provide plenty of storage for clothes and personal items. The walls are finished in calm, light colors, and the overall feeling is peaceful and quiet. There is enough room to walk around the bed, and the door closes for complete privacy from the rest of the coach. Many people say this bedroom feels more like a hotel room than a motorhome, and once you stand here, you will understand why. Connected to the bedroom is the bathroom, and this is where the luxury becomes even more obvious. The vanity area features a long, solid surface countertop with two beautiful vessel sinks. The sinks have a textured, high-end look, and the tall black faucets add a modern touch. Plenty of drawers and cabinets underneath give you space for towels, toiletries, and everything else you need. Next to the vanity is a separate toilet area for privacy. It is clean, well lit, and has a solid door so two people can use the bathroom area at the same time without feeling crowded. But the real highlight is the shower. This is a large walk-in shower with full tile walls, a wooden fold-down seat, multiple shower heads, and plenty of space to move around. There are shelves for shampoo and soap, and the glass door keeps everything contained. Standing in this shower feels nothing like a typical RV bathroom. It feels like a spa. Just outside the bathroom area, you will find another very useful feature, a full-size stacked washer and dryer. These are real residential machines, not compact RV units. You can do laundry while you travel and never have to look for a laundromat. The machines are hidden behind nice cabinet doors so they do not disturb the clean look of the interior. Throughout the entire coach, the attention to detail is consistent. Soft close cabinets, solid flooring, beautiful lighting, quiet operation. Everything feels intentional and high quality. Now remember, at the beginning I told you there is one special feature that most people miss? Here it is. It is not a single button or a single piece of furniture. It is the overall feeling of quiet luxury and solid construction that surrounds you the moment the door closes. When you shut the entry door, the outside world becomes distant. The walls feel thick. The floor does not flex. The cabinets do not rattle. The air feels calm. That deep sense of solidness and silence is something you only notice when you spend time inside a true premium coach, like this London Aire. Combined with the powerful Cummins engine and the smooth Spartan chassis underneath, it creates an experience that is rare. You are not just driving a motorhome. You are traveling in a private luxury suite that happens to have wheels. That is why Newmar gave this model the name the ultimate driving experience. It is not marketing talk. It is the real feeling you get when everything, the ride, the materials, the quiet, and the space, works together at a high level. The 2027 Newmar London Aire 4569 is built for people who want the best. People who want to travel in comfort, cook real meals, sleep well, and arrive feeling rested instead of tired. If this is the kind of motorhome you have been looking for, this floor plan deserves a serious look. Thank you for staying with me through the full tour. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough, please give the video a like and subscribe for more luxury motorhome reviews. I will see you in the next one.